everyone, this is Julia again. Thank you so much for watching. So today, right, I'm going to show you how I take care of my skin. How do I make it much more firmer skin? And then this part lighten laughing lines, and the pores is smaller, and to get rid of my blackheads, because I know I have a lot of blackheads, because those who put on makeup, right, who don't cleanse properly always have blackheads, alright? And then also to lighten the lines here. So I'm going to use my microdermabrasion today. I just use this cleanser to wash my face. So this is my favorite cleanser. It has to cleanse, exfoliate, tone and brighten at the same time. So this is my most favorite cleanser, and it's creamy. So it's very good for women like us, 40 years old and above, dry skin. Okay, so you can see it's creamy. I don't know whether you can see properly. Maybe much more focus. Okay, so you can see it's very creamy. I like it, and it has little bits inside, and it melted, you know, as and when you scrub your face. So this is my favorite cleanser for now for Mary Kay. Okay, next, right, I'm going to wet my face first, so I could do my microdermabrasion. I'm going to do just half face, because if not, right, it's going to take a lot of time. Okay, maybe I'll do everything. Okay. Okay, cool. So I am going to use my microdermabrasion. This will help to slough away the dead cells. It's made of aluminium oxide crystals. It helps to scrub your dead cells and then also minimize your pores and to give you that V facelift. So if you have a lot of blackheads like me, you can focus more on your blackheads. So you always start from the chin area, slowly upwards, 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 forehead upwards. If you want to lighten those laughing lines or forehead lines, expression lines, right, use this one. This is very, very effective. And I also use the Radiance Peel I didn't bring today. So a tip, right, for you, if you always have dry lips like me, so I always use this Timewise eye cream to moisturize my lips while I'm doing my treatment. So always upwards, everything upwards, forehead also, and blackheads. Okay, so for eyes, like this. Okay, if you tend to have expression lines, right, most of the women, they will go for Botox or this, right, but I'm so scared about Botox, so I'm not gonna do it. Anything that's invasive, right, I don't do it, sorry. Okay. Okay, then after that, I'm gonna wash my face. You can actually scrub for about 1 minute, not too much, and I use very light kind of feathery stroke, so I don't over scrub my face. So if your face gets dry, you can actually wet your face again and do it. Okay, good. So I'm gonna pause this video. Okay, but I only do this micro for about once a week only. I don't do it often. So you can see the pores are much more tighter, and the blackheads are gone. That's what I like about it. And then my lines are much more relaxed, not so like strong. And then next, right, I don't use my pore minimizer. First, I'm going to do a bit of massage for my face. So I love to use this one. This is our oil-free hydrating gel. If you have very dry skin, right, you can use the intense moisturizing cream. Sorry, it slipped my mind. Intense moisturizing cream for massage. So I always use this one for massage. So I put a lot for massage. So I always use this one for massage. It's much more easier because it's very silky. So for maximum moisturize, right, I use micro first, then I do this one, and then I do massage. So how I do massage, right? So it's like this. So you start from here, just massage upwards. This is a little routine that I started like maybe once or twice a week. So if your skin are dry, when you start to use this one first time, it tends to be a bit tingling sensation, but it's very normal. So this is how you massage your eye areas, so to reduce fine lines and wrinkles, and then also reduce dark circles, because it helps to promote circulation this way. Alright, next video then I'll teach you how to reduce dark circles and puffiness. Yeah, but also, you know, eye bags, dark circles, all got to do with your diet also, and also circulation of the body. It's got to do with your liver, so you need to do your exercise, you know. So those who are active, exercise a lot, right, they don't have much trouble on dark circles. Okay, nose, right, if you want sharper nose, I do it this way. So about 5 times if you want to do massage, and then you can actually massage upwards like this. You can do guasa or you can do hand massage like this. So I often do like maybe twice a week. I do this kind of hand massage. So you can do this like 5 times. So when you give yourself a massage, right, you must be very gentle. Maybe put on a aromatherapy kind of incense oil, you know, lavender. I'm using lavender right now, so it's very, very relaxing. And then you can do your own massage like this. You know, I think we all need our own me time. So today I make use of the time to have my own me time. Okay, so when your massage done, you can find that the moisture is a bit absorbed already, right? And then you can add in this one. I love this moisture renewing gel mask. You can put for about, if you want to put about 10 minutes, you can put very thickly. So I'm going to use very thick on my face because these days the weather is a bit weird. It's not so humid, so you need to moisturize your skin a little bit more. You can put on your lips if you want to. So I love this one. This is very rich in vitamin A, C, E, and then it helps to reduce fine lines and wrinkles and firm up your skin. And on top of that, you can use it at night, a thin layer, to help to seal up your moisture. It's like a cellophane wrap like that, a thin layer. Plus, you know why I love this? Because if you watch your Korean show after 12 o'clock, right, the next day you may have pimples or clogged pores easily, but when you apply this one, the next day you will not have any clogged pores. So this is one of my secrets to be pimpleless after watching midnight show, like the Korean show. Yeah. So anybody watching Angel Last Mission yet? So I'm watching that right now. So I love that that funny angel. Okay, so we just leave this mask for about thickly for about 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, I'll see you again. Bye. Okay, I'm back. So I always love to use this cloth. This one I got it from Ratu. Rest Asher thumbs up. It's so funny. But she's a very cute girl and I love her. And she's Ratu is one of my best friend. Whenever I've got problem, I will ask her something also. And she's also very particular about the things that she uses on her skin. So how we know each other, because she comes to my class and then I teach her how to take care of the skin. And right now her skin has improved a lot. And at the same time, she's also selling brushes, makeup brushes, and also this cloth. So I love this one. This one is you can use it as a makeup remover, or you can use it to wipe your face. Yeah. So if you're interested in this, I'll give you the link below this video. So this is my night routine that I do maybe once or twice a week when I have time. So I will do my microdermabrasion, okay, and then I will use my massage. I'll do my massage. Just now I teach you like that, and then for the neck, you know. So let me repeat again. The massage is like this, upwards motion, everything upwards motion, and then after that eye area. Okay, then after that you just push up and then press, push up, press. Okay, especially for here, if you want to achieve the V facelift and to lighten this part. To lighten this part, this one also helps to lighten the lines here, because as we age, this part and then this part and this part. Yeah. Okay, so you can see that my face is very moisturized and very clean, and then the pores is even smaller. So next, right, I like to use my toner. For me, because I have dehydrated skin, I like to use my toner. I'm using Botanical F1 toner. You can actually spray across like that, and then you can press, or you can use a cotton pad to double cleanse whatever that's on your face. And then usually, right, I will use my rose serum, my Youfinity serum after that, but because I just finished my serum, but I'm waiting for my serum to come in maybe end of this week. Yeah. So if you're using the Youfinity serum, don't use the vitamin C together. Use the vitamin C in the day and the Youfinity serum at night. Yeah. Okay. And then So I'm done with my gel mask, I'm done with the microdermabrasion. So next, right, what I like to do is I use my pore minimiser. Okay. So the pore minimiser is very it's a bit of colorful kind of like rainbow kind of serum. Yeah, it helps to minimize pores, and then also it helps to soothe, calm down the redness on your skin. Yeah. Okay, so after I'm done, for the whole face, you have to use the microdermabrasion and this together. You cannot do it apart. It works hand in hand together. So this one helps to scrub away the dead cells and minimize fine lines and wrinkles and minimize pores. This one helps to soothe your skin, repair your skin, hydrate your skin, and to minimize the pores. So it works hand in hand together. Alright. Then next round I'm going to use my vitamin C, my favorite serum. I swear by this. Okay. So I always put 3 pumps, and I even put on my lips also. So if you want younger lips, slough away on your lips, slaughter on your lips, I mean. Okay, good. Next, right after that, I will put my night cream. This one has argan oil and retinol inside, and it's very good for eczema skin, very good for sensitive skin, or even you have acne. That means your acne is no longer produced onto your skin, it's really cleared, and then you have a bit of scars left. This one helps to repair the scar as well. Oh, I forgot to mention, actually the microdermabrasion also helps to slough away the dead cells and to repair your skin texture. So it helps to improve the scar appearance, and then you use this one together, it helps to repair the scars all together, especially together with the vitamin C. So that's why in the past I actually have a chickenpox scar. It's very deep, but right now you can see it's lightened a lot and it's like almost the same color as my skin. So I like to use this night cream. So night cream, I put a thin layer will do. And then you should put it on your neck, and then you can give yourself another massage if you want to. So this is how I take care of my skin every night. So if you have any questions regards to Mary Kay products, you can just PM me for details, and then you can come to my class and try the texture and try the whole thing and see the transformation on your face. So any questions regards to the products, to using the products, you can just let me know, PM me for details. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.